Hi, welcome to Backstage Pass. My name is Kim and this is Elle, and we're coming at you again from the theater. We're so excited to be in here. We just wanted to show you that we got some changes happening, so we're excited. Yeah, it's awesome. So they're doing some work actually behind us as we speak. They're flipping out some of the old chairs and putting in some new ones soon. So we're really excited. This has been a long work in progress, thanks to some generous donations that we received. Some generous donors were able to do it, so it's awesome. So, and so now switching, we are talking summer. School's almost out. This is the last week of school for most area kids. We're super pumped, and we've got all kinds of summer things happening.
Yeah. There's still some time to register for summer camps. We have Addams Family, the summer musical happening. Summer in Color happening every Tuesdays and Fridays in the morning from 9 to 11, taught by an art major, Kate Stearns, actually. So we're going to be doing all different forms of art. So you can sign up for as many classes you like. It's only $10 a class. We have a theater tech camp that's running June 5th through the 9th, and you can work directly on the Addams Family set.
Cool.
You can learn lighting, sound, set design, costumes, all that. So it's going to be a really fun camp if you want to learn more of like the behind the scenes work that goes into putting on a musical and production. And then in July we have the Missoula Children's Theater King Arthur's Quest. This is for kids 1st through 12th grade. It's a week-long camp. It's really fun. All that information you can register online. So
very cool.
Yeah, we have lots of options for kids.
Lots of fun stuff. Yeah, for sure. So get them signed up.
Yeah. And then Tuesdays in the Park is kicking off actually June 6th with the Lakes Area Community Concert Band. June 13th, we're actually having a really big Tuesdays in the Park. It's going to be our biggest one of the summer with Steve Kelly's Tribute Kings featuring the Cherry Band. So these are all free concerts in the park. So that's really awesome. They're happening every Tuesday except for the week of 4th of July, running all the way through August 29th. Our schedule is online, so you can check that out. I'm not going to bore you with every single one because there's a lot of them, which is awesome. But yeah, you bring a blanket or chair into the park. It's at the City Park Band Shell, right by the lake. It's just a great way to come outside, kick back, enjoy some music and the nice weather.
It'll be great. So
we'll be announcing Trucks and Tunes soon, which is actually going to be happening a few Fridays, June and July. I'll have that information hopefully next week.
Yeah.
And I just want to talk about Street Fair really quick. June 2nd and 3rd, over 130 vendors. It's going to be artists, food, crafts. There's free kids crafts happening. Actually, our Summer in Color instructor, Kate Stearns, will be there doing a craft. And then there's going to be live music. So live music both days, all day. So that schedule is actually online at dlstreetfair.com. So you can check out that music schedule, and there's going to be a street dance from 9 p.m. to midnight on Friday. It's $5. So yeah, check all that out.
And that street dance is back. So we used to do the street dance with the groups down there, and they're back with the street dance. It'll be lots of fun. So, and the food, oh my gosh, the food. Anyway, so it's one of my favorite events of the summer. So anyway, it'll be great. So thank you. So from the fitness and aquatic side, we're super excited because summer means our summer day camp program is going to be kicking off on Tuesday, May 30th. So if your kids are signed up for that, just a reminder that that's kind of the first week of summer day camp. We also will be leading into all of our baseball, softball programs and teams. So if you have not registered your kids or grandkids or nieces or nephews for their summer programs like that, Dave is making teams currently. So we encourage you to do that. So that all that handout, shirt handout and rosters and game schedules and things like that all take place kind of into that May 30th through June 6th or 7th. So we encourage you to get that signed up if you haven't. Swim lessons, there are still swim lessons available, options available, especially in that third session of swim lessons. But we do have we have private lessons available. So if you're looking for private lessons for kids, but also adults, if you're an adult out there and you're interested in taking some swim lessons, I encourage you to look for that information. We also have Sunfish Swim Team, which got going in May. We have both a competitive and a non-competitive group. It does prorate it automatically when you sign up. So if that's something, if you want to take kind of the swim lessons to the next step, Sunfish is a great option for kids. So for all that information and more, including our fitness and aquatics class schedule, you can check out our website at www.dlccc.org. So thanks so much for joining us today on Backstage Pass, and we'll see you again next week.